Hey, how's it going? It's Martin Ross, and today we're going to learn Let Me Know by High C and DJ Quik. Before we get into it, check out all my links in the description. Hit that like button, leave a comment, let me know what you think. Also, subscribe, click the bell so that way you get updates straight to your device. And if you know somebody that likes the song, share the video to them. So let's get into it. So today we're going to be learning Let Me Know by High C and DJ Quik. This one's going to be a fast video because DJ Quik just uses the talk box on the hook. And I'm playing this in F sharp minor, so I'll play the scale. The notes are going to be F sharp, E sharp, A, B, C, D, E, back to F sharp on that octave. All right, so let's go ahead and play the hook.
If you're pimpin', let me know. Yeah. But if you're sippin', let me know. Oh no. 'Cause if you're flossing, this don't show. Yeah. And I ain't got no time for those. Don't wanna see you no more.
All right, I'll play that again, but slower.
If you're pimpin', let me know. Yeah. But if you're sippin', let me know. Oh no. 'Cause if your vlogs in this don't show. Yeah. And I ain't got no time for us. Don't wanna see you no more.
Before I go into a little bit more detail, you gotten this far, hit that subscribe button, click the bell. All right. And leave me a like, because you know you like the video. All right. So when he does the if you're flossing, this don't show. The show part, it's a trill. And the notes that I kind of like flicker through is D sharp, E, and back to D sharp, B, and then the final note, A. It'll sound like this.
Show. 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 'Cause if you're flossing, this don't show. Yeah.
Again.
'Cause if you're flossing, this don't show. Yeah.
All right, and there you have it. Let Me Know by High C and DJ Quik. That's DJ Quik on the talk box. I would ask that you please, if you've gotten this far, check out the links in the description. Help me grow my channel by hitting that like button and leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Also subscribe, click the bell, and share this to someone that might like it. Once again, thank you so much for checking me out. This is Martin Ross teaching you how to play Let Me Know by High C and DJ Quik. Take care.